Hi, today I have got my first parcel from Sue at Paper Inspirations as part of my design team package with her. So I haven't opened it. I've cut the tape on the box, but I haven't undone the packaging. As you can see there, very cute. So I want to share with you at the same time that I'm seeing it. So we've got a cute little butterfly sticker there. Very pretty. Put that aside. And some lovely... What I'm going to do is take that out of the box. Put that there. Put the box out the way. And now we can get free range. So, turn that down this way. Ooh! Ooh. So, let's have a look what we've got. We've got white rub-ons. Oh, look at that. You can't really see it, but there's it's like stitching. Oh, and this one, there's two packs, two sheets there. This one's got hearts and stars. I don't know whether you can see that or not on there. I'll try and get it for you to see. Is it on the back? Maybe you can see it there. So we got this rows of stitching. That'll be great. Okay, and they're 49 market. All of these things are available from Sue's shop, and I will put a link in the description box below. Got a nice envelope. And that's a nice little note to me. I'll read that in a minute. What else we got here? Oh, look. Uniquely Creatives. They're the acetate nut. They're on vellum, so they're... I have to move that over to the side so we can see. Look at those. So pretty. And purple is a colour that I don't normally reach for, but they look so pretty. I don't think they're stickers. I think you just stick them on. Oh yes, these are from the Juniper and Sage range. Oh, that's Kingfisher. Hearts, leaves, flowers, they're always handy, aren't they? Butterflies, love butterflies. Oh, look, even really tiny little. I'm not sure. I reckon they're stickers. I'll have to play around with that and see if they are, but I reckon they are. Little hearts. Actually, those kingfishers are very timely. I was thinking of getting some birds, so they'll be very good, very handy. Oh, they're lovely. Okay. Now what else have we got here? 10 envelopes, coffee dye. Oh, wow. Looks like an assortment of sizes. And look at the beautiful patterns on the coffee dye. Nice, pretty ribbon. So, I can undo that. Can use this ribbon on something. So we've got 2 of each size. Aren't they cute? And the pattern on them is great. And these slightly bigger ones. Gorgeous. So we had a video recently on doing this tea dye. I think it's a mixture of coffee and tea. So yeah. Later on. Now we've got some fibres. Variegated cotton frizz. Lovely colour there. Look, there's a bit of a theme going on here, isn't there? Like they go perfectly together. Perfect. And this sagey colour is perfect as well. That is so pretty with those. So what's this one called? Cotton Frizz. It's just a sage greeny colour. Really nice, really nice. Ooh, I have a die. Tags, Tops and Tails die. So this is a uniquely creative die. But as I said, it comes from Sue. And cut your tag, and then this you can use as a topper for it. And this can go on the bottom. Then you've got your little ring reinforcers, and these tabs can go over that. It's a great die. Lots of things can be created with that. I think tags are one of the things that we create the most of, really, isn't it? Tags and journaling cards. Doesn't matter what journal you make, they have to have those in them. Now I've got a packet of A5 sized lace dyed paper. These are very similar to the envelopes, you know, the patterns on the envelopes. I have bought previously these A4 coffee dyed papers from Sue, and they're beautiful. Never any tears or anything like that in them. Look at the different patterns. Look at that. Different patterns and different colours. It's amazing, isn't it, really, that you know, you've got all of these things. These papers were probably dyed in the same batch, and yet they look so different. Oh, look at that one. Perfect. This is pretty. That's like a big leaf, isn't it? Colours are beautiful. And here's some same size paper, but this is just plain dyed, so without the lacy patterns on it. So they'll work well together, won't they? This one feels a bit textural. I think that's got some like coffee grounds or something on it. Oh, is that one? I think I got this upside down. That one's smooth. It looks textured, doesn't it? But it's smooth to the touch. That's a good thing about buying packs like this. You get such an assortment. And the darker edges. Great. Where papers have overlapped each other. Oh, they're excellent. Gosh, I can see lots and lots of things happening here. And, oh, look at this. Oh, chipboard. This is a Mintay product. 12-inch sheet of chipboard elements. So look at that, all botanicals. That's great. I think it's one sheet. And it's the Nature 2 set from Mintay. You can colour them with anything, you know. You can use watercolours, you can use acrylic paints, you could use your pan pastels, anything you like on these. And they're a nice sort of neutral colour. You could just leave them as they are as well. You don't even have to colour them at all if you don't want to. Some of the chipboard that you can buy is fairly dark, and you don't really want to use something like that on your journal pages, but something this colour blends in just fine, I think. Oh, and there's more. Heavens to Betsy. Okay, so the Juniper and Sage Uniquely Creative 12 by 12 collection pack. Holy moly, I am one very lucky girl, I think. Let me open this and we'll have a look at the papers in here. I've looked at this collection and I've wondered whether I should buy it, and wow, I'm so glad that Sue sent it to me. The green, the colour green, I love that colour green, that sort of sagey green. And yeah, there's lots of things here. So there's that, and there's the gingham check for the back. And it's a nice sturdy cardstock too. That's pretty. And they've got the zigzags for the back. Oh, look at that. Just looks like some scrunched up paper, and look at that. Wouldn't that make a perfect tag or a journaling card? That's perfect. And even that's gorgeous. Nice neutral. Nice neutral. Could make anything out of that. Could make nice pockets. You've got a nice background to decorate. It's lovely. And the background, the back of it is a nice neutral background as well. Oh, look at all that fussy cutting. I'm going to go away for a few weeks soon, so I'm collecting up things that I can take with me and fussy cut, so that will be amongst it. And we've got the, you know, this nice background on the back of it as well. That's what I like about Uniquely Creative. They always have something neutral on the backgrounds that you can use if you're not that keen on the front. But to be honest, it's not very often that I don't like the fronts either. We've got some tickets here. They'll be handy. Got lots of fussy cuts here. Circles. Yeah, there's some really good embellishments on here that will be great in our journals. So there we have it. Well, I think I'm very spoiled, and oh look, I can't wait to get started on using this, all of this stuff. Heavens above. I can't believe I've got so much. This is terrific, and I'm definitely going to be using this. The next journal I make, all of the tags in it will be using that. And this, I love it. How much texture do we use in our journals, eh? Fabricy stuff. Laces and ribbons, and God, I love that. Envelopes, they always make fantastic additions to our, we can put them in pockets, we can use them as a flip. Lots of stuff we could use that for. And I have to really have a good look at these and work out whether they're stickers or not. Just a little side note, they are stickers. So that's fantastic. and the rub-ons. Well, that's it for my lovely parcel, and of course the tissue itself. You can stamp on this, you can use it in your embellishments, you can, you know, use it to embellish your tags or whatever. You can colour it. You can colour it with anything you like, sprays, or probably don't get it too wet. Anyway, so there's my package for this month. I couldn't be happier. I can't wait to get started on creating something to share with you all. So thank you for joining me here today, and I hope you can join me when I use all of this stuff here to start creating. Okay, bye.